Okay, so we have around a minute to get his reaction because we're doing a reaction video. So, if you hear anything in the background, it is just my friend's parents. Okay, but we're gonna be trying to bring something out and see what their reaction is. So we're just gonna ram it around, see what we can make in around a minute, and then when we're done, we have to try and get a reaction out of the other person. Yeah. So
I'm Stanley.
And yeah, these are gonna be in most of the videos. Not all the videos, but most of them.
Yeah.
And
At least a video per week.
And so, it's time to go. So,
Let's go.
so I'm gonna be staying here while he gets stuff. So, as soon as he gets here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment at what we could do next time. And also, I'm sorry if this is gonna be a little bit short, or if it's gonna be, or it goes a little bit cuckoo. Sorry. And also, don't forget to leave notifications. So, me and Stan are just friends. What the hey? What the hey? Bring it in.
Do not open these.
Would you like to be in the video?
No.
Okay. Do you just want to say hi to YouTube?
No.
No.
I don't like that you're on YouTube.
We're just uploading to YouTube. That's it. Why did you bring all these in?
I don't know. Because I'm a retarded scientist.
We're not using that. You know that.
Crayons and stuff?
We're not using them.
Why?
Because that's not what we're doing for the video.
Remember, we're trying to make something around.
Yeah, but I meant with all the objects in the person's room. It's past your minute anyway, Stanley. Give him a second, getting this up. Oh, these were nothing. What is this? What is this?
I'm an FBI agent.
What the? Hey, what is this?
I made that at the neighbor's house.
What is all this?
Voice recording pen. Don't use it. Police line. Just a bit of usual stuff, you know, magnifying glass.
You know we're still recording.
I know.
Now put this away and put it to the side so I can go.
Okay.
Put it away now.
Now?
It didn't even start.
Now it's time for your minute. Go right ahead. Go. So, guys, I'm Stanley. And I will be in a few of the videos, because, the host of the channel will be at my house sometimes and vice versa. So, yeah, I mean, and if you couldn't tell already, I have a pet, as you can see by the dish right over here where I'm pointing. And then this was my turtle's pool, but he didn't like it. So, yeah. shoddy. He came in with a sawed-off shoddy. He
And he's
came in
scared.
with a tactical shoddy. Well, wouldn't you be afraid if somebody freaking came up with a shotgun pointing towards you?
No, because
Hot glue. What is it with us Americans and hot glue?
that.
What is it with us Americans and flipping hot glue?
You know, they're still recording.
So, okay.
And this came off.
Yeah,
This came
that's
off.
okay.
We don't need that. We have this. For actually sweaty guy.
Okay.
Now you can't use this.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. It's gonna be in here. It's gonna be here at all times.
Okay, let's get to work.
Bro, we're still recording.
I know.
You're supposed to go. You're supposed to go by now.
Where?
Get another reaction.
Oh. Of what?
What is in there? Go. You could do it, bro. Hey. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hi. 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 What's going on? Let's go. I'm pretending. This is actually a pretty good shot. Whole shotgun. Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Oh. What the heck was that? What? Back off, son. Heads up.
Hold on. And I want to give a big shout out to another YouTuber.
Who?
Well, two YouTubers. Brendan, well, no, actually like 5. Popular MMOs. Brendan Miller. Go check out their channels. Links will be in the description.
No, it's not.
Popular MMOs, Brendan Miller. Sunday, Craner, and Blitz.
I'll at least try.
Put their links in the description.
I'll try my
Links will
best.
be right down here in the description.
If they're there.
And we will be doing a giveaway
No, they're not.
for a fidget spinner. We will be doing a fidget spinner giveaway with this nice fidget spinner.
And these ones.
As you can see.
Now we have to get back to the video.
Action.
Now! And you done.
And, yeah.
No
if you
more.
like the video, like, subscribe, and comment saying that you subscribed and liked so that we can enter you
And
into
also-
the giveaway.
And also, ow! Turn on notifications.
Yes, turn on post notifications. Please!
That's
Please,
my turn.
we only have 2 subs.
That's my turn. And it has been going on for 5 minutes. Reset. And reset.
Okay, I'm gonna put some background music on. Please don't get copyright struck.
We're gonna.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's just put some beats on.
No, we're gonna get copyright.
You do.
We're gonna get copyright. And now the video's still going. And it's 10 minutes already.
Okay, guys, No more.
I'm just gonna go. And if I get copyright strike, it's because of him. Can you turn this back?
Oh,
Go sit where the spot is.
that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to slap that like button right across the face. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!